Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we have started the animation tab and we have seen how to apply the transition effects to the every slide. You can apply the separate animation effects to the different animation effects to the different slides. And you can see the preview also. If you click on this apply to all button, it will be applied to all the slides. Then we have seen how to apply the sound effects. Various effects are applied. You can apply different sound effects to the different slides, or else you can click on the apply to all button. Then we have seen how to manage the speed of a transition, that is slow, medium and fast. So for example, I have selected here medium. So medium, you see the preview, slow, very slow, medium and fast. So likewise, you can set the transition speed differently for the different slides. Then we have seen that how can we run this slideshow. So when we are running the slideshow, we have to click on the mouse to display the next slide. So look at this slideshow from beginning. So I need to click on the mouse so that the next slide will be displayed. So if you don't want to click on the mouse for display purpose of next slide, you have to select this, uncheck this box and check this automatically after box, and you can set the timing. So here I am setting the timing for 2 milliseconds and clicking on apply to all. So whenever I am running this slide, you will see all the slides will be displayed automatically after 2 milliseconds. No need to click a mouse button to display the next slide effects and slides. So since I have selected for apply to all, it will be applied to all the slides. So that while doing the slideshow option, all the slides will be displayed automatically after 2 milliseconds. So that was regarding the transition effect and settings. Today we will see the custom animation. For the custom animation, we have to select a particular word or text. And if I selecting the custom animation, you can see over here a dialog box appears and we have option called as add effect. Under the add effect, we have 4 options: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. So if I select this entrance, again we have the options blind, box, checkboard, diamond and fly in. So I am selecting fly in option to this animation tab word. This is the second slide. So for second slide, again I am selecting the word and I am selecting add effect entrance, the blind option. You see the preview over here. So that means we can select entrance and box. For this second word transition, I am selecting entrance and the diamond option. For this word, third word, I am selecting entrance and checkerboard option. So we can select a particular word and we can apply the different animation to the selected word. So now for this, I am selecting the hold list and clicking on the add effect and clicking on the more effects from the entrance. So there are number of effects. You just scroll down the mouse and you will see the basic effect, subtle effect, moderate effect, exciting effect, and many more. So for all the lists, I am selecting this scroll in option and clicking on the OK. Next slide number 4. We have select the word and click on the add effect option and emphasis. You click on the pin button. Pin. So all the words are being or the sentences are being pinned. So this is slide number 5 and select the word thank you and you can select the effect from the entrance and more effect. I am selecting the wheel option. Now we will see how the effects are applied to the different words. Go to the slideshow and select from the beginning. So that means effects are applied to the slide as well as to the words. That is a use of custom animation. Effects are applied to the slides as well as to the words. So I am again copying this slide for displaying to another effect. We will see the different effects. This is slide number slide number 5. I am removing this effect. You can click over here, remove button. So all the effects, text effects are being removed. Now I am selecting the first sentence and clicking on the add effect. Select the emphasis and clicking on the spin option. So that particular sentence is being spin. Second sentence, emphasis, more effect, color wave. I am selecting the color wave and clicking on the OK. Third sentence, I am selecting this emphasis, more effect, clicking on the shimmer. Next sentence, add effect, exit, fly out. So I have selected fly out option. Next sentence, add effect, motion paths. So diagonally down, right, diagonal up, right, down, left, right, up. So draw the custom path. So I am selecting this diagonally upright. Now let us look at this, how it will work. Slideshow from current slide. For first sentence, we have applied the spin effect. Then secondly, the color is being changed to this white. So likewise, we can select various options. So for this list, I am now removing the effects that we have added previously. We will add some more different effects. So select the list option and select this motion path or select this exit and click on the more effect. I am clicking on the split. Select this next exit, more effect, then circle. Next cycle, exit and fly out. So this will be more beautiful if you take a image or picture. So in the next slide, I am inserting one image and we will apply the effect to that image. So picture. So we have this image and click on this add effect. Then it will look like more effect and the sprite. Now let us look at the slideshow option from current slide. The newly added effects are being displayed to you. So for the last image, we have applied the stripe effect. Again, select it, remove the effect. Now we will select one more this select option, and let us run this slide only. So that particular image is circulating in this path, heart shape path. Also we have the modify heart and start on click. So again we can display the effects on clicking on the mouse button. So we have the path option, unlock, lock, edit point, reverse path direction. The reverse path direction, you can see path, reverse path direction. So if previously it was clockwise, if you select this reverse path, it is now anti-clockwise. You can see this. And the speed is medium. Again, it's slow, very slow, medium, fast, and very fast. So slow. So that means we can adjust the speed also. We can adjust the path also. So with previous, after previous. So after previous, I am selecting. So I am selecting this again for a slideshow. You will see no need to click on the button. Automatically after this slide, that next slide is displayed because we have after that particular previous slide, the next slide is displayed without clicking on the mouse button. So that is what are the settings that we can apply with this. So by default, there are 3 groups design tab. So these are the options. If you click on the word, then only this box gets activated. So for this hierarchy keyword, we will see the different effects down. You can see the direction. That word is going down and again coming up. So relationship, emphasis, more effect, flash bulb. So you can see over here, motion path is having different paths, and on that the word is running. And in the exit group, we have the option. So these are the 4 categories for applying the effect: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. So we have seen all the different types of custom animation effects applied to the different words. So with this, we have completed the animation tab. You can also see the preview if you click on this. No need to go to the slideshow option. You can check the preview for every slide. Select the slide and preview. So it is shown that for the list different process, cycle, hierarchy, which animations are custom animations are applied, that is displayed over here. So for this lecture, we have completed the animation tab. Thank you all.